Most students panic when they see two curves and a shaded area in between. But this one, it's clean, it's tactical, and once you lock in the method, you're just gonna smoke every single area under the curve question they throw at you. Let's break it down step by step. All right, find the area enclosed between the curves y equals x squared and y equals 4x minus x squared. Now to make my life easy, the first thing I want to do is set myself up so I can have a little visual representation. So the way I do that is I start by having let f of x equal x squared and let g of x equal 4x minus x squared. Now I'm just going to rewrite g of x so it's just easy for me to graph. So g of x equals x out of 4 minus x. So now I know that the intercepts of the x-axis are at g of 0 and g of 4. So now I will draw myself a very, very rough graph. That's our f of x. And then we have g of x. So I'll put in my x-intercept at 0 and my other x-intercept at 4. All right, so the goal is to find this area here, this shaded region. So the easiest way to do that is we need to find this intersection point right here. So that is when f of x equals g of x. So we have the left-hand side x squared equals right-hand side 4x minus x squared. We bring the right-hand side across to the left-hand side, and we end up with 2x squared minus 4x equals 0, or 2x out of x minus 2 equals 0. So as we can already see, x equals 0 is one intersection point, and x equals 2 is our other intersection point. So when x equals 2, f of 2 is 2 squared, which is 4, and g of 2 is 4 times 2, 8, minus 4 is also 4. So up here we have 2, 4. So now we know that we intersect f of x and g of x at 0, 0 and 2, 4. Now for us to find the area, let's start with let area equal a. So a will be the integral of 0 up till 2 of g of x minus the integral of 0 up till 2 of f of x. And the reason that is because, as you can see, under f of x is this area here, right? Tell you what, I'll draw in a different color to make it easy for you. Here, this red area, that's the area under f of x. And the area under g of x is this entire region. So for me to get a, I need the blue region minus the red region. So that will give me the blue region, blue, and this will give me the red region. And we can even rewrite it as now expanding, we get 4x minus x squared minus x squared dx, which equals 4x minus 2x squared dx. Moving on to the next page, we get the same thing. And now we will do our integration. So we end up with 4 times x squared over 2 minus 2 times x to the power of 3 over 3. And now we can start substituting in. Substitute in the 2. Substitute in the 0, just ends up with 0. Absolute value of that, we get 8 minus 16 over 3, which is 8 over 3. Therefore, the area enclosed between y equals x squared and y equal 4x minus x squared is 8 over 3 units. This exact structure shows up in multiple ATAR papers. Curve versus curve, find the area. If you got the sketch and you do top minus bottom the right way, the rest is just mechanical. Subscribe for more tactical breakdowns. And if you want a full ATAR past paper walkthrough, check the link below.